Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. And so we got an unboxing for you guys today, and I'm going to be unboxing my Pixel 9a and Iris. I was a bit sketchy here because I've heard horror stories about FedEx mishandling packages, and so it came like this, and I'm just nervous. Hopefully nothing is wrong with this at all, because I'm going to be seriously pissed. So we'll get this really awesome tape cut open here, and hopefully, you know, it won't break anything. This blade I'm using is actually pretty sharp, so the fact that I'm struggling with the tape kind of tells you how much tape they wrapped around it. But we'll get the box outside of the box, and yeah, okay, pull tabs are there, we're good, we're golden. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get it opened. This is Google's new packaging, so now there's basically a recycled box that they place the device in, and so you got the pull tabs on the back. Those pull tabs, pull it off, and then it's got an outer sleeve packaging that shows you the device. So this is the Iris color Pixel 9a. Let's tear into it. Tab number 1 removed. Tab number 2 removed, and it's ready to slide out. Yeah, I'm kind of nervous. I don't want to like push this out and the box open and it falls on the floor. I'm weird like that. I'm sorry. Anyways, nice packaging here. You can tell it's recycled material. The way that the box looks. It's got that little etching of the phone. And here is the Pixel 9a in all of its glory. Let's take it out. So it's got that protective sleeve around it now. And that's the back of the device. And it looks really good. And I'm surprised. It feels like it has weight, but it's not heavy, if that makes any sense. It just, I don't know. So anyhow, let's peel it off. Let's get it opened. And here we have it. Oh man, this is so awesome. So very nice looking device. I can't wait to test this phone out and report back to you guys my findings, especially in the photography side. So you get your additional pamphlets inside the box and a SIM ejector tool, as well as a Type-C to Type-C cable. They do not include a charging brick anymore. What is going on with mobile tech today? Oh man. Anyways, let's close up the box. I got so many charging cables. I don't need to use this one. I'll keep it as a backup in case I ever need it. But yeah, so this is a quick unboxing. First impressions video will come later. I'm gonna take this phone out and use it throughout the day and come back with my findings, as well as upcoming comparison videos between the other many devices that I have. So if you guys enjoyed the video, do me a solid, smash the like button. I would truly appreciate it.